Okay, we are back. So, how to buy Trust the Process. So, a newly released Memecoin on the Solana blockchain, which is perfect. We've seen the Solana coins pumping this bull run, and again, people are still buying into Bitcoin. Once a Bitcoin, it will flow into Ethereum, and then BNB and Solana. So again, very early on this coin, we're now at 4 cents and a 43 million market cap. Already in the last couple of minutes that I was doing this video, that has gone from 0.037 to now 0.04. We've gone from 34 million to 43 million. Like, this is moving very quick, very fast. But I'll show you guys how to buy it. So very simple. Either get your Phantom wallet on your phone or your laptop. I've stayed at in this video, I'm on my laptop. Very simple. You can either go down to the bottom right, as I say on all my videos, the compass. You can either search it. The good thing is it's trending, so it's right here. But say it's not. Say, for example, it might not show up on yours, or you type it in and you're not sure if it's legit. Just go back to CoinMarketCap, click on Contact, copy it from the contract section, open up your Phantom wallet, bottom right, type it into the search, and there it is. Trust the process. Then you hit swap. So Solana by default will always be at the top, and whatever coin you are trading will be under. So in this stage we've got Trust. You should be automatic 2 on slippage of 0.3%. Sometimes if this coin is moving really quick, you will have to adjust. Sometimes like 5 or 1, and then worst case, if this coin is pumping, you might have to do 10 or 15, which is not ideal. So at this stage, it's not moving too crazy, so 0.3% is fine. Type in whatever you're willing to risk. So say, for example, 2. So 935 Trust, sorry. Then you hit review order. And then you'll, this is a new update as well to the auto slippage. So I don't bother with this. I just leave it as the default. And as soon as you're happy with your order, you just hit swap. That's as simple as that.